Well, we got some pretty bad weather today. It's raining. Let's go ahead and show you how to do. This is your metal chin guard. This piece is going to go over the slot they're nibbling. And the way you're going to do this is, I don't have a door to work with, I have a screen similar to a door. You're going to take that and place it on the door frame. You can kind of get a little bit more of a close-up of that. You notice it doesn't go outside the frame, but it's not on the inside like that. It's going to rest right like that. This will allow your water bottles and washers, little toy ledge things, whatnot, to go through this, through the wire. Actually, this is a little bit more just the same as your door. So there's the mesh, there's the door frame. That goes on just like that. And then you just take your screws. I'm giving you 14 screws, 7 for each door. They're a special kind of panhead screw. They're like a combination washer screw. They go into wood really good. And you're going to take them. Probably it'd be best to use a drill, but you can. So you take your drill and you kind of move the metal so that it's just touching the edge. It's got a little bit of a space. And then you take these in between. Whoops. And it's going to screw in there. But you probably want to pre-drill these. You have your little drill bit. And I'm going to send you this drill bit for you to use for both this and when you do your hooks. But you put this on here and you just pre-drill it. Go in about that much, maybe a little less. And you just put 2 here, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. So 7. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you just make your holes. Going in about 1/4 inch. I would pre-drill them because this might split. And then you take these panhead screws and you put them in the holes that you've drilled. Hold it right on there. And those big heads are going to hold that metal. Just like that. If you pre-drill, you really make it a lot easier for yourself. And like I said, you can go to Harbor Freight and buy a little $12 drill. So now you have that metal guard on there. And that chin's not going to be able to get to that wire. I've sanded this so it's not sharp for his or her little mouth or teeth. But this is pretty strong. It's going to keep them from making that hole bigger. And it's pretty simple. So like I said, you drill 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, about that much, about 1/2 inch in. A 1/2 inch is one of your squares on your wire is a 1/2 inch. And then you put your little panhead screws in and that'll solve your problem. And because you have 2 and you put 1 on each door, it'll make it look balanced and a little prettier because it'll balance itself out. You'll have it on both sides. And they could probably try to nibble on the other side eventually too. So this will keep them away from that. So I'm going to send these to you. And you should be good to go at keeping the little bionic nibblers from breaking through.